Lesson 5. Triangular Pyramid. Step 1. Shaping. Observe the width and narrowness of the two faces and the tilt of several edges. Sketch the outline of the triangular pyramid. Step 2. Structure. Begin with the transition line between light and shadow. Distinguish between the light-facing and the shadow-facing sides of the shape. Step 3. Relationships. Establish the overall light and dark relationships. At this point, pay attention to the difference in brightness between the two faces and the background. Step 4. Detailing. After blending with tissue, enhance the spatial relationships. When adding the background, use a layering technique. Layer by layer. Integrate the background and the object. Deepen the details and make adjustments. Complete the image.